Hello everyone! Today I'll show you how to change your resolution quality in Alchemy Factory. Let's begin by opening the Options menu. Then make sure you're in the Graphics tab. Here look to the resolution quality setting. Here you can set it to Super Performance, Performance, Balanced, Quality and No Downscaling. Set it to your preference. I recommend either Balanced, Quality or No Downscaling, because this game is quite light, but if you experience performance issues, simply set it to Performance or Super Performance. I'll go with No Downscaling as I said. Then simply press back, and you are ready to play. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like, comment and subscribe.